Hello my friends, it's diys-by-dar. Something a little bit different today. I'm going to go into the world of being a chef. I have my black chef hat on. I'm going to try something new from Every Plate. They had a deal where I could get $60 off, which was basically 3 meals for 4 for free. So I went ahead and did it, and I'm going to give it a try. Being so busy now, trying to do things I enjoy with my projects, and I have to take care of my mother-in-law, who is here living with us now 24/7, and she has severe dementia. So that's kind of taken a little bit more of my time up. So I thought maybe I would try one of these meal services. This one, they send you all the supplies and you still make the meal yourself. And tonight we're going to have sweet chili chicken. So we're going to give this a try, and at the end, I'll let you know how it tastes. Everything came in a box, and it was cold. It had a cold pack in it, and then they send you the recipe. So to make this, what I need to have is some scallions, 1 lime, 2 packages of their chili sauce, 2 packages of soy sauce, 2 packages of jasmine rice, 2 packages of carrots, a clove of garlic, and 4 chicken breasts, which I will take out of the refrigerator when I'm ready to give it a go. So I'm going to follow the recipe that they give on the back of the card, and we'll see if it really takes me a half hour. Preheat oven to 425 degrees. Wash and dry produce. I did that. Trim and thinly slice scallions, separating whites from greens. Peel and finely chop garlic. Garlic is supposed to be 4 cloves. I think you have to have tools to make this easier on yourself. If you've never really cooked before, you wouldn't know that a garlic press would be helpful, or most people have a peeler. Okay, here's my garlic. I'm going to put it in a garlic press. Heat a drizzle of oil in a small pot over medium-high heat. Add scallion whites and garlic. Cook, stirring until fragrant. 1 minute. A drizzle. I don't know what's a drizzle. Ooh, is that a drizzle? Olive oil. Stir in rice to coat, then add 1 1/4 cups of water. Let's get the water ready. This is jasmine rice. Bring to a boil, then cover and reduce heat to low. Cook until rice is tender, 15 to 20 minutes. Keep covered off heat until ready to serve. While rice cooks, trim, peel, and cut carrots on a diagonal into 1/2-inch thick pieces. Zest and quarter lime. Toss carrots on baking sheet with a drizzle of oil and a pinch of salt. Roast until browned and tender, 20 to 25 minutes. When I'm swimming, here they come. All right, in the oven they go. Let me check this rice. Two tablespoons of butter and microwave it. Butter's in there. Stir in the soy sauce into the butter. I lost a little, oh well. And a squeeze of lime juice. Well, alright, I'm supposed to put this sweet chili jazz in there. To see how hot it is. Not too bad. Meaning spicy hot. Because then my mother-in-law won't eat it. I tried to pick meals that were more neutral in spiciness. Alright, I gotta put this lime in there. I'm gonna cut it. It's been washed. I've never used one of these before. Pat chicken dry with paper towel. And season all over with salt and pepper. Heat a drizzle of oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add chicken and cook until browned. Cook through 5 to 6 minutes per side. Turn off heat. Transfer to a cutting board. Thinly slice chicken crosswise. Toss roasted carrots with lime zest. Fluff rice with fork. Divide plate and top with chicken. Serve carrots on the side. Drizzle chicken with sauce. Sprinkle with green scallions. Well, I didn't get any zest. I better get some zest here. I don't have a lot of zest there. I can get some off this one. I should have done that before I squeezed it. 2 in each package. Since I've got servings for 4, I guess we're doing a little drizzle. I'm waiting. It smells really good. but we'll see. All right, like that. Your rice. Chicken's supposed to go on your rice. You want to look like the picture. Carrots. Then you're supposed to sprinkle the green scallions and then some of the sauce. And then green scallions. Okay. Okay, I've been sampling it here and it's pretty good. There wasn't enough carrots for how we eat vegetables, but definitely enough of the other stuff. Different, interesting flavor. It's not too hot. It's not too spicy. But I'm gonna go eat this because this is pretty good. The meals were really great. I have some more coming. The only thing is, there were a lot of dishes. Now, if you would like to try it, I've got 3 cards to give away. Send me your email address and I will send you the code for some free meals. They're only good for the next 3 weeks. Also, I have a big project coming up. It is an old entertainment center I'm turning into a wine bar. But Mother Nature is not cooperating with me, and I really want to get outside in my barn to do it. Hey guys, have a good week.